Alright, so new little knife, small little everyday carry, roughly 13 centimeters or 130 millimeter blade. So I draw out the basic shape of my anvil, I draw out the basic length and width on the side of the anvil. This is more or less what the knife will look like. Well, I hope so. And I cut a piece of steel, it fell on the floor. But this is the steel I'm going to make it out of. It's 1075. Let's go pop that in the forge. Let that warm up. And we'll see you on the other side of that. Oops. Okay, so I've narrowed down the steel on the power hammer. Now I'm going to start shaping the blade. Back on the EDC. Got that wrong. So, there you are. I'm doing two knives at the moment. One is the little EDC I showed you, and then the second one is a fat PUUKKO. The fat PUUKKO I'm going to make out of 5160 high carbon steel. The EDC out of 1075 high carbon. It's just the difference in the carbon content. 1075 is roughly 0.8%. And the 5160 is around 0.6% high carbon. Both are good knife steels, nothing wrong with either of them. The 1075 I like to make hamons on because it's easy to. Yeah. So I'm going to beat these down a little bit, but I'll show you how I make the point at least on the 1075, and then just be patient with me because I don't do it as quick as some of the other guys. There are other bladesmiths out there which are much quicker, much better than I am. Alright, we're back on. I'm going to go get the steel out the forge. See you in a sec. So you're coming in at a roughly 45-degree angle. Try and avoid exactly what's happening. A little fish lip. I don't have a good grip on it. Alas, I am running out of gas. This is why I've not been getting the right temperatures. And and I've been battling with my heat. But anyway, I'll finish the points probably on this one, and then I'll have to stop and get some gas. Alright, I don't know if you can see, I'm getting a decent point out on this piece of steel. It's coming out quite nicely. I'm going to have to stop, as I said. Baby's got no more gas, no more LP gas, but after a good breakfast with baked beans, that's never too much of a problem. So I'm going to stop, there you are. I'm going to stop for the morning and go carry on with the family things, otherwise I'm going to be in big trouble. But I'll also go and get some gas sometime during the course of the day. And then we'll carry on with this video at some other time. Cheers guys. Whoops, there you are. Cheers guys. Thanks for watching. Please spread the word around. Subscribe to the link wherever it is. Well, wherever I am. But subscribe to the link. And I look forward to seeing you again. Cheers.